Hi, this is Caffeine BS for April 26th, 2019. I had to check the calendar on a computer there. I just come in from officially and irrevocably voiding the warranty on my sherline compound slide. Yeah, as soon as I drilled and tapped that 632 hole in that nice red anodized base with the big hole and the 4 little holes and the nice protractor graduations around the big hole, well, I had to drill and tap a hole to hold the arm that keeps the plunger, or I should say the plunger works against when I'm sneaking up on nominal at 100,000th of an inch increments. Think about it. A 10,000th indicator, compound set at 84, move the 10,000ths that way, it goes up 100,000ths into the world. Talk about splitting that layout line. Can't draw the layout line fine enough to not split it. Sounding like. Anyway, gonna go for now. Bye.